All right, guys, so here we have them. This is so that normally what you're gonna do is you're gonna install both of them, one on each seat. And what's gonna happen is then you can run your firearms through these loops right here and over to the other seat. So they'll straddle the two seats here. It's nice, you got a nice little additional pouch up here on top. One of the things that I like about this one, as opposed to some of the other ones that I saw, is that it's got 3 points of contact. Now, I don't plan on leaving these in my car all the time. I'm gonna basically take them out, and when I go hunting, I'll put them on really quick. Now that I've got the size ready to go, I can just kind of unstrap them and strap them in. But there's a center strap here, which keeps it nice and tight up against here. Most of the other ones I saw connect at the top and they connect at the bottom. And what happens is this middle part can sag really bad. The other thing that I like about them is that they're snaps, they're just clips, right? And that this bottom one adjusts. A lot of the other ones that I found, this cable on the bottom is just as like a cable. It's not an actual strap, and it's not really adjustable. This gives you a nice adjustability, and so it can like sit nice and tight up against the back of the seat. So if you did leave them in all the time, you would basically have them, they'd be out of the way. You can see my knees fit back here, no problem at all. And then I would put the other one over there and have that sit there, and I'd have a firearm between going there. Now this can hold 2 firearms, so you can do one down here and one right here. And then you have these Velcro adjustments here that you can use to kind of like, basically you kind of unhook this like that. You can wrap that down like that, and you can put your gun in there. You flip this guy up, that locks it in place, and then you strap that down, and that can get it nice and tight. So you can kind of adjust it, get them nice and tight in there. I'm gonna mostly be using them really loose because we're gonna be running and gunning when we go bird hunting and stuff like that. But that's basically what they look like. I wanted to give you guys a quick little tutorial on one, how to install it and what they look like. They're pretty slick. So if you're looking for something like this, they're relatively cheap and they get the job done. So guys, there you go.